Okay.
So it's 2 years.
You've been traveling for 2 years now?
No, I mean, it's been 2 years.
Okay, since your last
I
travel.
only got 5 days in Malaysia now.
Okay. Are you going to Singapore?
No, I'm coming back to
Korea.
today.
Okay. This is Batu Caves, guys.
Yeah, go there. I love that one.
It's 9:40 a.m. And sumali ako sa isang group tour ng hostel kahit hindi pa ako naka-check-in. So nagbayad lang kami ng 5 ringgit each. Murang-mura na yan. Wow, lakad pa na talaga niya.
Million years old, and this is like a actually complex cave. There's like several caves this guy is a Lord Murugan, god of water, and he's Shiva and Parvati.
Ito tama?
Hi guys, 200 plus steps ang kailangan naming akyatin to reach the top of this Batu cave. There's a lot of monkeys. Oh.
Yeah, they are fun.
Ito na yung pinakamalapit na distance ko sa monkey. Sobrang
Have you
lapit.
ever seen the monkeys in Kentucky?
This is the closest I've got
That's what I said.
with the monkey. Dito na kami ngayon sa loob ng Batu Cave. After 200 plus steps, bumili na ako ng water. Nakasarado naman. 3 ringgit yung water, so that's 39, 40 pesos. Kasi yung nakasama ko. Ito pala. Tatanggal kami sapatos para dito sa part na to. Pwede ka naman na. Talagang cave na cave siya. Tanggalin ang mga sapatos. Pasok na ako sa loob. Wow. This is my first time to see such rituals and traditions. Dito na kami ngayon sa parang pinaka-loob na loob ng Bato Cave. At butas yung taas niya. Ito yun. May parang temple pa rin sa loob na may mga parang ano pa rin. Ritual pa rin silang ginagawa. And then sabi nung parang ni Sofia, our tour guide, is pwede kang humingi ng blessing doon. Tapos maswerte ka or blessed, lucky ka kapag binless ka ng parang priest nila dun sa loob. Then there's a lot of monkeys. Tingnan nyo. Pero peaceful naman sila generally. No shoes dun sa loob, and then parang may temple din dun. So, ang ganda ng cave. Sarap i-appreciate yung cave. And talagang tourist destination siya. Medyo X-rated lang yung ibang monkeys. Parang may ritual din silang ginagawa. And then ito yung parang mga drinking water sila doon. Ito yung parang temple nila. Medyo nakakatakot. Pero respect na lang their traditions. Mga pigeon dito talaga nagliliparan na lang talaga. Wow. Maybe he broke free from the... He's a lucky one.
No, there's another one there as well. Oh, wow.
There's another one.
Huh.